like-minded people that want to live more adventurously in their life, whether that's travel related, whether that's you've got a YouTube channel, you want to kind of progress in that way, or you just want to progress in another way and kind of share ideas.
Guys, it's happening. Check him out. So this is Hannah. Hello. And this is also Hannah. Hi. So we're at the Live the Adventure Summit right now. And as the mission was, we ended off last time, was to go cuddle some sheep. Hannah has found me some sheep in a field. So we're gonna go do that now.
And the road goes round in that direction. Yeah. And so there's that footpath over there where the people are.
All right, wish me luck, girls.
Good luck. Good luck, girls.
This is happening. I don't know if I'm ready. This is a big moment. If I get shot, please tell my family I love them.
You said nothing.
First step done, we're in. There they are. Oh, that's a lot of poop. Boys are trying to get away. See, they just don't know the love that's about to get to them. I just stepped on poop, that's nice.
He shouldn't be talking, should he? He's doing like army stealth mode right now.
I can't tell you guys how fast my heart's beating right now. Look how close we are. We're so close.
I think you're gonna run now, otherwise you're gonna
catch
them.
Running with the sheep. Hey sheepies. Look how many sheep there are. Listen, we tried, but we failed. And that's okay sometimes in life. Apparently, sheep can die of panic. So I had to stop that. Right, Hannah?
Apparently.
Alright, so we're here filming a video. And he just turned on a teleprompter. Read what this says. Teleprompter. Hello, I'm tall. And I'm a good boy. Trust me.
That's insane.
Hey guys, so last you saw I was chasing some sheep in a field. And now it's the end of the summit. If you're watching this video, I've probably already uploaded my video from there, so make sure you go check that out. It was an incredible experience. I'm here in the car with some buddies. This is Alex, this is Ray. What's up, dude? Here he is. And we're heading off to London right now, without a plan.
London, baby.
I have no idea where I'm going, what I'm doing, but we're heading off. Now we're gonna see what happens. We've come up to a city called Croydon, yeah?
Well, it's not a city, it's part of London. Yeah, part of London.
And we're gonna go have some vegan food in theme of the summit that we just came from.
My first proper vegan.
Vegan life, baby. Vegan life.
And it's freaking freezing. It's so cold. I don't want to deal with this. It's too much.
You need to get used to the London.
This is a real OG right here.
Great.
This is Rayman.
Rayman Mufasa, baby.
This is Rayman right here. This is a real dude. Look at the commitment for the picture.
No blood, no bones, baby.
All vegan.
Cruelty-free living, man.
So what we're doing it. Guys, check this out. Oh my goodness. Look at this. All right, my friends. Who's ready to dig in?
Aye, mate.
We got a vegan feast right now. You guys ready?
Yeah.
You guys pumped for this?
No blood, no bones.
Yeah, there's some serious flavors going on in here. Wow, we wow.
Fine. Amazing. Impeccable.
I accidentally just ate a hot pepper. Which one? What pepper?
Scotch bonnet.
Oh my goodness.
Can you think right now? For those of you who don't know, the Scotch bonnet is one of the hottest peppers in the world.
Yeah.
Not to be reckoned with.
I warned everyone, man. I've done it, man.
I've got to admit, you're a man. Like, seriously, you're holding...
So this is the next day. I'm here in my hostel. I've woken up with a cold, which is not good. And we're meant to be traveling over the next few days in some very cold climates. And these are withdrawals from the Live the Adventure Summit. My body's like, no, you have to go back. Anyhow, let's see if I can conjure up the effort to actually go outside today. Alright, so I just checked out of my hostel and I'm gonna go try to find some internet at the Apple Store because the internet there was like completely unusable. I'm also like almost immediately feeling a lot better. I feel like the second when you're sick, the second you get outside, you'll automatically start feeling a little bit better. Okay, so I have to admit to something. I have a very bad obsession with this restaurant chain. Hello. Oh, baby. We are about to party. Bam. Alright, that was a very strange way to start off the morning. Let's get back on track and get to that Apple Store, eh? Aha, we found the Apple Store. Finally, we can get some work done. Alright, well I just finished editing the video I made for LTA and it came out pretty damn awesome. I'm about to send it on over and then we can bounce out of here. What do you guys think about this? This is a little sexy look for me. So I found my hostel, just chilling here. It's pretty cool. It's on top of a bar. I'm kind of tired and sick, so we'll see what I'll be doing.